Welcome back. Now we will want to make sure that the individuals that purchase this specific product will get marketing communication from us via our email marketing list. And so what we want to do is to make sure that we edit the product that we are selling. And then we go to the place within our checkout to make sure that the individual is going to be added to a specific list. In this case, in ThriveCart, we're going to go to the behavior rules. And you'll see that there is a rule here adding an individual to Mailchimp. We will edit this rule so that we can take a look to see how it is set up. And you'll notice that we say that when the main product is purchased, we are then adding this individual to a specific Mailchimp list. And we have a number of features within this shopping cart. We can have a specific rule when the product is refunded, another rule when the cart is abandoned, and another rule when the payment is declined. We can also set up a specific rule when the bump offer is purchased or when it is refunded. So that means here that we're going to set up a second rule. We're going to click Add Rule. We're going to say that when the bump offer is purchased, we are going to add this individual to a specific list within Mailchimp, and we're going to name that list. And we're going to click Save. So we now have our two separate rules that will run depending on what the customer actually does. Now, inside of the mailing list, what you're going to want to do is to set up an automated campaign. That means that you're going to come to your campaign section inside of your autoresponder system. Now in Mailchimp, the way this works is that you're going to create a campaign. And you're going to create an email campaign. And you're then going to create an automated campaign. And in this case, we can use any campaign that we want that's pre-done, although we can customize a campaign. And we're going to select our audience. And what we're going to do is we're going to write a series of emails. Once you've added your first email, you're going to add in another email. And you'll make sure that this email comes at a specified time after the first email is going to be sent. In this case, we're going to make sure it's sent 1 day after the first email. And once we've designed the second email, we can design a series of additional emails. And all of these emails will go out typically 1 day after the previous email. And as long as you have different purchases going to different lists or different designations, you'll be able to send different series to different customers. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.